Hi everybody, this is Sir Pierre, back another day with another unboxing. And this is yet another perfectly hyped shoe, another package from Solestory. And once again, just with the pine green, I really like that these are perfectly amount of hype. Even though I hate hype, but actually the reason why I hate hype is because of resellers. And these were, I'm gonna open the box and tell you everything about why I love the hype of these. The last month or so, people have been talking about these shoes. And before that, nobody actually cared. And we could see already in the first images that the leather on these was gonna be good. And for some reason, people claim that they are tired of the tumbled leather. So silly. Solestory, we have souls in our soul. As I said, people claim that they are tired of tumbled leather. People say that they don't like the Jumpman logo on the shoes, etc., etc. But when the shoe dropped, people were standing in line for not days, but the full day at least. And yeah, shoes sold out instantly. A lot of people got pissed that they didn't get them. So all this trash talking about the shoe beforehand, I feel that just because people want to buy them themselves and they don't want the shoes to be hyped, so they sort of talk ill about the shoes before the drop. Cool box. And yeah, I'm gonna get to that. These are not the Air Jordan 3 UNC. We call them that, but they are sort of a general release edition of the UNC. So we are supposed to call these Valor Blue. Valor Blue, I think that's the name. Valor Blue, and not the UNC. I like it. I like it to put the UNC color, the Valor Blue color, on the box, and that the box matches the shoes with the elephant print and everything. So it's a perfect shoe. So with this shoe, as I said, people were talking sort of bad about them. They're tired of the patent leather. They are the poor man's UNC, etc., etc. But I feel that, first of all, I didn't want people to miss out on the shoes like they did on the Mocha 3 that are an excellent pair of Air Jordan 3. They went on sale. People then bought them, then started to hyping them, and now everybody wants them. And yeah, shoe smells good. Some glue smell to it, but the leather seems just fine. And yeah, I like it. No hang tag. I don't care about the hang tag, but I know that a lot of people do. So no hang tag on these. So yeah, once again, people say that they're tired of tumble leather. That's just silly. Tumble leather makes the shoe softer. It's the softer kind of leather. So you don't have to break in the shoe. The shoe is comfortable right away, as it should be. You hide creases easier. You don't have to care about creases. This is a stiff shoe, sort of like Air Force One, so you won't get creases in the same way. But the tumble leather hides creases. And then people say that they don't like the Jumpman logo, Jumpman Air logo. They want the Nike Air logo. But this is not a OG colorway. This was not a color that Jordan played. Jordan has not played in this colorway with the Air Jordan 3. So then we should not have the Nike Air logo. I think everybody has different thoughts about that, but I like the Jumpman logo. I like it that this is not a Nike shoe, this is a Jordan shoe. The Jumpman logo looks good. We are back to the fat, pregnant, divided ass Jumpman logo, but that's still good, that's still fine. So I think this shoe is just perfect, and as I just compared to the Air Force One, this is sort of like an Air Force One low, but just the perfect amount of color to make it not just a boring white Air Force One, sort of. So this shoe, I think you can wear with anything and still show that you are a sneakerhead. You can wear it daily because it's a soft shoe. You can wear it with everything because it's a sort of, I call it a low top, but it is a mid top, we can say, but for me it looks like a low top. So you can wear it even if you're an old man like me and grown up. You can wear it daily, you can wear it at work, whatever you work with, whatever, blah blah blah. But still it shows that you are a sneakerhead. You have the elephant print, you have the North Carolina colorway, you have the Jumpman, etc, etc. So why do people call these the poor man in the UNC? Jordan brand quite often release player exclusive shoes, friends and family editions, shoes that are concept shoes only made for celebrities, artists, etc. And I think 2018, I don't know, don't quote me on that, Jordan brand gave the North Carolina football team, not the basketball team, the football team a shoe like this, but with a big UNC logo here on the tongue. We had another sole here, we just have the red insole. I think there were some differences, but the color scheme were this. We have the Valor blue, the North Carolina blue on our Air Jordan 3 with the elephant print. So yeah, that was a really good looking shoe. Those that got the shoe, some of them sold them, even though they're not supposed to sell them. And those shoes they were really expensive on StockX, if you could find any in your size even. So I'm super happy that Jordan brand releases a general release shoe of a player exclusive edition. I think that's super cool. I would like to see more of that, and I'm okay with waiting 2 years. That's fine to get a general release shoe of a player exclusive edition, PE. So I'm super happy with this. Great quality, great looking shoe. We have the Jumpman, a nice silhouette. Air Jordan 3 is always a nice silhouette, and whatever you want to call them, I really like them. So I'm gonna put them on foot. I don't think I have too much more to say about them. We have sole and heart on the inside of the tongue. Heart and soul, soul and heart and soul. So that's a nice touch. I don't know if there are any official Nike name of them, except from the Valor Blue, because I haven't seen Nike call them heart and soul anywhere. So that's just a bonus. But the UNC color, the blue, that's from the North Carolina college where Michael Jordan played during his college years. A great shoe, super great shoe. Even here in Sweden, solestory sold out instantly. We had to raffle to get them. I was unsure if I was going to get them, but luckily there are not too many people in Sweden wearing my size, so I'm just happy with that. And yeah, the quality seems nice, not perfectly painted, but there is no glue residue. The paint is a bit uneven. I can show you that up close, but this is just, I have nothing that I want to complain about. I could complain, but I don't want to. But I'm still gonna show you. The basic Air Jordan shoes today are getting really expensive. They cost like almost like Italian dress shoes. So I think we could demand a bit better quality. So what I was thinking about earlier, saying earlier, that we can see that the painting isn't super perfect, maybe a bit uneven. You see when I do like this in the lighting, a bit uneven. And on the other shoe, I could see pores on the shoe. But it is a shoe to use, so yeah, but use this easy. It's still a Asian made, you see here, Asian made shoe. So yeah, I just think that when they keep raising the prices, we could demand a bit more. But I understand Jordan brand as well, because almost every shoe goes on the resale market, and I understand Jordan wants a piece of that cake. I'm talking too much, I think, so I'm gonna put them on. I would be very surprised if they are not true to size. I don't think I've ever tried on an Air Jordan 3 that is not true to size. And once again, with that, I mean the size that you have on your Air Force One or Air Jordan 1 should be the size that you choose on this one as well. But on foot, I think they're very comfortable. Let's try. The Air Jordan 3 is another pair of shoes that I want to keep the factory tie on. So what I do, I just loosen it up and keep it like this. This time the tie was, or the lace was a bit long, so maybe I'm gonna tie them the right way. But what I like about, just perfect. What I like about the Air Jordan 3, instead of like the Air Force One, is that they're much higher here. So if you have problem with fat feet on the top, these are much more comfortable than Air Force One. But then again, they're double the price. So, oh yes. True to size, nothing to complain about there at all. Not super comfortable. It's still an old shoe. It's still well, we have some comfort, we have some cushioning, yada yada yada. But you don't buy this shoe because it's a comfortable shoe. You buy this because it's a great looking shoe that you can wear even as an adult. I'm really happy with these. I'm gonna wear them out. I'm going to McDonald's as usual. The rain is pouring down, but I don't care. I'm gonna wear this today. Great looking beater shoe, casual shoe, daily shoe. It's wonderful. I'm really happy that I got these. So thanks for that, solestory. Yeah, I think that's it. If you have any questions, let me know. But I think I've been talking for like 20 minutes now for no reason. And I hardly haven't shown you the shoe. So I'm guessing this is the best close-up I can do. The flash went on automatically, but I don't think that will be a problem. Yeah, if you like, I don't know what else I could say. You should have got them. They're sold out now. They are not too expensive on StockX. I think they went for like maybe $30-40 over retail, and they are actually worth it, because I think people are gonna appreciate these later. They're gonna appreciate them more later. Yeah. So guys, Please subscribe, please give me a thumbs up, comment. I like it when you ask me questions. I like to help out. And for you that are already subscribing, please hit the the bell button so you see my videos. That will really help out. So yeah, have a nice one.